Starting around 03 October 2023, Nexo sort of is exchanging at 55 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.21% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they especially thought. Nexo sort of has a kind of complete market cap of $308,038,490, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,951,300 in an unobtrusive manner. This basically makes Nexo kind of positioning at 95 in the cryptographic money market, showing how this makes Nexo in every way that really matters, positioning at 95 in the digital currency market in a very enormous manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Nexo basically be somewhat worth in 2023 in a significant manner? Is Nexo a very wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially large manner? Will Nexo cost outperform its record-breaking high, or so they thought? These certainly are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in a very huge manner. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost in every practical sense is supposed to in a real sense cross a truly normal value level of 76 cents. The normal sort of least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the very current year ought to be 72 cents amazingly. Besides, Nexo can especially arrive at a greatest value level of 81 cents, so sort of is Nexo a truly wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in Nexo value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo essentially is determined to explicitly be at around an extremely least worth of 61 cents, which in a real sense shows that in addition, Nexo can fundamentally arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 81 cents, so fundamentally is Nexo an essentially wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023. Especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Nexo value worth can truly arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 69 cents, with the very normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Nexo value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo sort of is supposed to fundamentally be at around at least 66 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Nexo cost can really arrive at an essentially limit of 72 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars in a very significant way. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents, which especially shows that starting around 03 October 2023, Nexo sort of is exchanging at 55 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.21% in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour in a genuinely large manner. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around 71 cents, most certainly further appearance how might Nexo cost most certainly outperform its unequaled high, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo explicitly is truly anticipated to generally arrive at a kind of typical cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of 78 cents and a fundamentally least of 72 cents in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo fundamentally is supposed to especially be at around a sort of least of 72 cents amazingly. Nexo cost can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of 81 cents, with the truly normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars in a very significant way. Nexo exceptionally passed value examination in the for the most part beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been fundamentally diminished by 2% in its really current worth, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we especially think about the in every practical sense current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap especially is additionally down, which especially shows that these generally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Nexo generally is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which especially is genuinely critical. The Nexo generally is down to nearly 0.23% in the in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, showing how while the all things considered, normal exchanging cost ought to be around 71 cents, all things considered, further appearance how might Nexo cost by and large outperform its unequaled high, which truly is very huge. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for pretty past sort of couple of days. The coin could truly have serious areas of strength for certainly at the same time. We don't especially believe that it would a productive resource in beautiful present moment, or so they most certainly thought. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo basically diminished by 23.538%, disposing of an incredible especially normal amount of 17 cents from its fundamentally current worth, certainly further appearance how Nexo value expectation 2023, as per the Nexo estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Nexo cost in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense cross an essentially normal value level of 76 cents, the normal sort of least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to for the most part be 72 cents in a huge manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be an especially decent truly purchase a potential open door for especially speedy speculation, which generally shows that Nexo value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo explicitly is supposed to really be at around a sort of least of 66 cents. The 90 days cost change basically is near 34.66%, and the value sort of flowed from an exceptionally least by and large normal cost of 79 cents to sort of greatest sort of normal cost of 86 cents in the especially beyond 90 days, showing the way that Nexo cost can for the most part arrive at a very limit of 72 cents, with the truly normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo in every practical sense is somewhere around 25.67%, with the especially greatest pretty typical cost of the coin explicitly was around 67 cents, and the truly least all things considered, normal cost of truly was around 65 cents in beyond 4 months, so Nexo value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023 the cost of Nexo explicitly is estimated to sort of be at around a sort of least worth of 61 cents, which in every practical sense shows that also Nexo can in a real sense arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 81 cents, so generally is Nexo an especially wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of significant manner. Nexo value figure 2023 facts what will by and large be Nexo especially worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. The Nexo cost by and large is determined to explicitly arrive at a greatest degree of 81 cents, with extremely least cost of 72 cents, toward the finish of 2023, showing how might Nexo cost most certainly outperform its unequaled essentially high in a kind of enormous manner. Does Nexo basically have a future in an all things considered huge way? As far as value, Nexo really has an extraordinary pretty potential to sort of arrive at new levels, showing that Nexo value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo in every practical